Hello to everybody. With this short video, I would like to give you a model for a presentations course. So let me start with this. Hello to everybody. Thank you very much for joining my presentations today. My name is Dara and I am a teacher of English. My topic today is about temple stones. I'm going to spend about 5 minutes for the whole of my presentations. I have two main points for my presentation. And don't worry about taking any notes because I will give you the slide through your Telegram. In case you have any questions, or if you have any questions, you can ask me at any time during my talk, or you can ask me at the end. So before I get started, I would like to ask anybody here, do you know where the ancient Khmer people took the stone to build the temple? So with my presentation, you are going to learn about this. So as I mentioned that there are 2 points that I would like to present to you all today. And as our topic, or my topic today is about temple stones. The first things that I am going to present is sandstone. With these slides, I want to give you the information about where the stone is taken from. It is from Kulen Mountain and it was brought to Siem Reap City, which is about 50 kilometers away. So, just now with this slide, I was talking about the location where the stone was taken from and how far from Siem Reap City. Now moving on to my next slide. With this slide, I want to give you the information about how the sandstone is being used in order to build the temple. So sandstone was used as the carving, as you can see. This is a carving as the Apsara and also the Naga statue. That's how sandstone is used. That's the main point for this slide. It is about sandstone that being used for the sculpture. Let's move to the next slide. So this is another slide to give you an example of the use of sandstone for the bas relief at Bayon Temple. And another statue from Angkor Wat as well, that made by sandstone. That's enough for this slide. And let's move to the second important point of my talk today is the other type of stone called laterite. Laterite is used for building the temple, but it is mainly used for construction as foundation, and here as one of the ancient bridge foundation, and this is how the laterite is being prepared. That's it for this slide presentation. Then with this slide is to give you more example of laterite is used for the foundation and for building the temple. This is from Prairuk temple. So with this example, we can learn more about the second type of stones, which is called laterite, being used. Now with this slide brings me to the end of my talk, but before I end my talk, let me summarize the two important points that I just mentioned. Right now I was talking about two types of stone, which is sandstone and laterite. Both types of the stones are found here in Siem Reap province. As you can see, this is the image of the reclining Buddha at Kulen Mountain and where the stone is taken from. So, I would like to recommend everybody to visit this temple this mountain when you have time. Now I have little time for your question. In case you have any questions, I'll be very happy to answer your question. Thank you very much.